right? Be a little bit more dirty. Be a little bit more dirty. We have fouls to give.
We need to force the fouls, fellas. Don't
They got bonus, guys. They got
precipitate shots.
Come on.
This is not the shots that we want over the dribble.
Explícame, Pedro, cómo este sale aquí y lo ve todo el mundo, eh. Atácale aquí, pero no atacas aquí.
What is the key now? We have to wait 4 minutes and a half to go to the locker room, and our first goal is try to stop the game a little bit, especially when we are missing. Try to match up better them, and defense well 24 seconds, not 20. 24 seconds.
Move, pass, pass and penetrate. They are in bonus, guys.
They want to play slow down, dribble, vanish, pick and roll in the last seconds, and we want the opposite. Run, put the ball in the paint, run, fish, swing, share the ball and play dynamically. It's about this.
This is the time for push. All the handoff, be aggressive. Player with the ball, be aggressive. If we need to use the foul, use the foul. But nobody relax with the ball, and nobody relax in the strong side.
We are allowing every fucking shot. You are not respecting them from the beginning. You are not respecting them. Be serious. Play like you practice. Not like cover now you are playing now. Play like you practice.
Vale, recibe el 5.
Sí.
¿Quieres que le haga la falta a Rivero?
A ver a quién es.
Si la fan.
Vale. No,
aguanta.
no, es muy pronto.
Virutis is running. He's right quicker than you. No, run back.